All right, kindergarten, we are going to be making these really pretty, very simple little Christmas ornaments. We're going to be doing this just like we did the snowman and we did the tree. We're going to be doing oil pastel with glue and glitter. And you will get to choose red. You will get to choose green. Or you will get to choose blue. And you will have two designs that you will get to choose from. You could either do the swirls like we did with the snowman and the tree, or you can make the snowflake pattern with little dots in the background. All right, so I'm actually going to choose blue today, and you will have a paper plate to trace and a white oil pastel. That's all we're using today, other than glue and glitter. All right, so you are going to hold your paper plate really tight. Do you see how I'm holding it really tight? And then whenever I get here, look, I can't trace anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around. I'm going to pick my oil pastel up, and I'm going to come around. Uh-oh, and it's moving, and that's okay. You're going to try to hold on really tight, and you're going to get a really nice circle around. All right. And it don't have to be perfect. That's okay. All right, so now you should have a circle that looks about like this. Now, we're not done. We have to turn, this is just a circle, and we need to turn it into an ornament. And if you notice, the ornament, it is a very simple rectangle with a little line coming down. This is how you hang it on the tree. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top, and I want a really nice big rectangle. So I'm going to go from the end of the circle all the way to the other end of the circle. And then you're just going to do, you can either have it go this way or this way. You're just going to do like a hook. You're just going to come down and hook it around. Just like that. Pretty simple, huh? All right, and then we are going to do, I'm not going to do the swirls, because you've already done the swirl, so you know how to do this. But if you want to do the snowflake, I'm going to show you how to make the snowflake. Either one of these are really pretty. You can choose whichever one to do. Don't do both. Pick one or the other. All right, if you're going to do the snowflake, everybody knows how to make the letter T, right? A lowercase t. You're going to make a really big lowercase t. Pretty simple, right? And then you're just going to put an X through it. Everyone know how to make an X? So I'm going to make an X, just like this. Simple, huh? And then I'm going to put dots on the ends, big circles on the ends. And then I don't want all that blank space in here, so I want to make it look like it's snowing in the background, and I'm going to add dots. And this is a real pretty simple little design too. You can choose either one. I like the swirls too. I don't know which one is my favorite because they're both really pretty. All right, when you're done with that, you're going to do just like we did the snowman and the tree. You're going to trace your entire ornament. Now, you're going to be taking your time doing this. I'm doing it fast. You're going to trace the ornament. I'm even going to trace the rectangle, and I'm going to trace the line. And then you are going to put dots all in the center, just like we did the tree, and just like we did around the snowman. And you're just going to do little dots of glue. You don't want too many. Just want to balance it out, make sure you have enough. All right, and then you're going to bring it to me, and we are going to do some really pretty silver glitter. We're going to put it in the, remember Miss Rucker called it the glitter car wash. So you'll bring it to me, and we're going to dip it in the glitter. And it should look something like this. Okay, and it'll be real pretty. And that's okay. Some of your glue is going to, that's okay. It's just going to look nice and sparkly in there. All right, so have fun.